Hi, I'm just arriving at my brand new listing in Headon Forrest, and this is a home you need to see. So go on inside and I'll meet you there. This home is just perfect. It's everything that you've been looking for. It's open concept from the kitchen to the family room, and my favorite thing is that there's a wall between the kitchen and the dining room, so you can entertain all you want and the dirty dishes are behind your back and you can't see them. Honestly, this home really does have what you're looking for. Double wide parking, 1.5 deep garage. We have a finished basement with an extra bathroom, and we have a lot of snow. So I really hope by the time you get in, some of the snow is gone, but you know what? A nice, bright, beautiful home in Headon Forrest awaits.